Guys, gals, yeah, you're never too late to learn. Came across this fancy trick the other day, how to make a comfort band. Not that you're making comfort bands all the time, but you can use it for other things. But 2 quick ways. It's so stupidly easy, it's ridiculous. But here, let's just draw a circle. For right now, just turn the snap on. We'll make it whatever you want, but 20 millimeter. Alright, first one is we're going to pipe this, and we're going to pipe it, let's say 1.85, and then get ready for this, guys. We're going to scale it 1D, and you can take it out to about, well, say 6, 7. And there you have it. Let me just check one thing real quick here. I don't like those jaggedy lines on there. And let me try one other thing real quick. Okay, not quite sure how to adjust my mesh, but anyhow, there's one. Let's show you another one. Let me get that over here. Okay, in the right viewport. Let's take this one right here, and we'll have our quad on. Quad is on. And you'll take it out about, let's just say we're building 6, 6.5. And go up as high as we want. Let's say about that much. Now you can do it right there. I'll turn the points on. And let's see if I can, let's see what happens when I do this. I want that. I give it that shape a little bit. Take my points off, and again, ridiculously simple. And there you have it, comfort band. And again, not that you use them every day, but if you wanted, you can put some diamonds down the side, whatever you like. Oops. I'm going to do that again. Yeah, I stuck my curves this time. Just want to get rid of them. Yeah. You can put some diamonds or some beading around there. What I did, I made some channels there, just so you know. That those stones or those beads fit into. So anyway, it was just something to show you how to make a real quick comfort band, or you can make some other things with it, whatever you're doing. But hey, enjoy.